Staying fit every day is important for our overall health and well-being. Here are a few tips on how you can incorporate fitness into your daily routine. Firstly, scheduling regular workouts is key. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga, setting aside time each day for physical activity ensures that you make fitness a priority. In addition to scheduled workouts, finding ways to stay active throughout the day is crucial. This can be as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a walk during your lunch break, or doing some quick exercises at your desk. Eating a balanced diet is also essential for staying fit. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals provides the necessary nutrients to fuel your body for exercise and everyday activities. Hydration is often overlooked, but is equally crucial. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to keep your body functioning properly, supports your workouts, and aids in recovery. Lastly, getting enough rest and prioritizing sleep is important for your fitness routine. Giving your body time to recover and recharge is essential for muscle growth and overall performance. By following these tips and making fitness a part of your daily routine, you can stay fit and healthy every day. Remember, staying fit is not just about exercise, but also about making healthy choices in all aspects of your life.